5. Right? Top 5 lang pala. Okay? Thank you so much, and
Mom, one in the next time. Bye-bye. Blessed night.
yes, blessed night. Good night. Ano ba yung blessed night? Good night. Rico. Humana kita ta.
Amen.
Amen, amen. Ano? Sige na. You can eat na if you want.
Kuya, how for your house?
I will help you.
Amen. Ano yan? Yung hap. Yung hap. Here.
Nauntan sila.
Stickers, guys. Look si Christian.
At yung Christian.
Trader ng
Roll
mga
Manega. Don't forget.
Okay, so ano na, kumain na kayo. Kung sige lang itong... Sa tingnan na ito na, ito nang utang na ko, naman ko yung Pop
Jennifer. Thank you dito sa nanood sa akin. Ay, yung subscriber ko. Thank you guys. Thank you for supporting my life. Thank you so much. Thank you sa 3 viewers watching in my Lala Vlog prayer. Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much guys for watching my night prayer.
Si Jennifer ipanag na.
Opo ma. Si Jennifer ipanag yun ma.
Enjoying Barbie. Dream house.
Guys, thank you for watching my Lala Vlog prayer. Okay, thank you kay Jan Sanico, Harmonica music video, and kay Rakumar. Thank you 5 viewers. Please like and subscribe me guys. Okay. Mga una ta daddy. Maghukad na ko ha. Okay. May
Get moving yourself.
Ha? Sana si Jennifer ipanag. Pero ang ganda. Balik.
Nine number diha di ba ma?
Mga mga pila. Pila.
Hello guys, ito po yung aming ulam guys, no? This evening. Hello to viewers watching in my live. Thanks God na coming kayo sa aking live, no? Ito po yung aming ulam this night. Please like and subscribe me guys this evening. Thank you mga subscriber watching me. Yan po yung aming ulam guys. Atay ng manok, no? Please like and subscribe me guys. Support my Lala Vlog.
Nakakita ka ng tuklanan niya man sa centimeter man. Palit mag-break na.
Okay. Say thank you for watching Lala Vlog.